John Russell reacts.
Hello, welcome to another John Russell reaction. You know it. I'm here in my loft and I still can't point at the thing without looking at the screen, seeing where my finger is. I'd be a rubbish weatherman. Here we have a prevailing northeastern front coming down the country, and I think I live about here. Not going to work, is it? No. Anyway, don't give up your day job. That's the main thing. Back with another reaction. Back with another one from Doug Hill. Thank you very much, Doug. I've reacted to quite a few of Doug's songs, Doug's tunes that he suggested to me. He's asked me to look at a tune called Flood by Snarky Puppy. So yeah, let's get on and get grooving. Yeah, get grooving. Nice. So what? Advert? What? No. What was all that about? Why didn't that? That's the first time I've seen adverts pop up in other YouTube videos. That's the first time I've seen an advert in the middle of a music video. I've definitely seen it in other videos, but none of the reactions I've done so far. Oh, that's really annoyed me, that has. No. feel this is quite different to the stuff that I've been listening to from Snarky Puppy before. Can't really put my finger on it exactly. It's definitely much more laid back, I feel, than some of the other songs that I've reacted to. But I still really like it. Yeah, it's very nice.
Get closer.
Are you kidding me? Another advert.
That still works. Still works.
Eh. The drumming through that part is intense. It's like it's changing all the time. It's great. That's some sweet production as well there, that you can hear the acoustic guitar through everything else that's going on. It's impressive. Very nice. Yeah, thank you very much again, Doug. Impressive. I really like that one. It was very different. I think that must be, maybe that's earlier Snarky Puppy than what I've seen so far. It seems the band's not as big. I know Lionel flew in that one time, but I'm sure I've seen him on other stuff. That must be the original drummer. Yeah, very good. Thank you very much, Doug. I appreciate that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You know the drill. Thank you very much, Rustlers. I'll see you again soon for another reaction. Stay well, keep lucky.